Let's talk about combination surgery after major weight loss in 1 minute.
Every day, more patients make the decision of losing weight. That can be done through surgery or diet and exercise. After all this effort, then they see themselves with a lot of extra heavy skin that is really heavy to carry on. Here is where after weight loss surgery comes in the rescue, so we can remove all the extra skin that can be present in different parts from the body.
All right, surgical procedures for this are typically combination procedures to fix a number of areas at once, and really any combo is possible. Arm lifts, thigh lifts, tummy tucks, breast lifts, posterior body lifts, back lifts, face lifts, all are procedures meant to take away excess heavy skin and lean a person's body to keep them feeling great. We use 2 surgeons, sometimes 3 surgeons to keep these efficient, so that allows us to do more surgery at a time, but we'll come up with an individual plan for a patient based on their bodies, their desires, always keeping safety at the front of our minds.
Those are big surgeries, so we have a whole team to support you during this recovery process.
No matter what we do, we're going to have you up and walking the day after surgery. People are out of the house quickly, and you're generally spending 2 to 3 weeks here in Cartagena.
If you're thinking about reshaping your body and you want to see more photos, check out our website. And if you want to see those surgeries done, check out our YouTube channel.